Challenge accepted. Yo, what's up everybody? We're about to drop ourselves in the deep end. Yep, the deep end. Think yachts bigger than your apartment building, cars that cost more than a small island, and champagne wishes on a tap water budget. That's right, we're headed to Monaco. Yeah, Monaco. Over the next few days, we're ditching the Lamborghinis and caviar dreams and diving headfirst into experiencing Monaco on a budget. Are you in? Hit that like button if you think we can pull this off. First things first, let's talk logistics. Getting to Monaco without emptying your wallet is totally doable. Instead of dropping a fortune on a hotel room in the heart of Monte Carlo, we're setting up camp in Nice, just a quick train ride away. Think of it like this. Nice is like Monaco's cooler, more laid-back cousin. It's got the beaches, the vibes, and the food, but without the crazy price tag. Plus, that train ride, it's not just a way to get from A to B. It's an experience in itself. You're zipping past stunning coastline, charming villages, and maybe even catching a glimpse of a celebrity or two. We're talking less than the price of a fancy coffee back home. Trust me, folks, this is just the beginning.
All right, so we've made it to Monaco. The sun is shining, the air smells like money, and sunscreen. Now here's where things get interesting. Forget those fancy cars, those overpriced taxis. We're about to conquer Monaco like the locals do, by bus. Yeah, you heard me right. Monaco has this awesome bus system that's basically the subway of the super rich, minus the subway part. And guess what? A single ticket costs about the same as a baguette. You can literally ride these things all day long and still have enough change left over for a croissant. Plus, let's be real. Who wants to be stuck in traffic in a Ferrari when you can be kicking back on a bus, soaking up the views, and planning your next move? Not me.
Okay, so we've conquered the bus system, which means one thing. It's time to stretch those legs and explore Monaco the old-fashioned way, on foot. There's something incredibly liberating about wandering through a city without the constraints of a vehicle. You get to experience the heartbeat of the place, feel the rhythm of its streets, and truly immerse yourself in its culture. And trust me, this isn't your average stroll through the park. Monaco's streets are alive with energy, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that will captivate your senses. This is a full-on sensory overload, Monaco style. Imagine the hustle and bustle of the city, the chatter of people in multiple languages, and the occasional honk of a car horn. It's a symphony of urban life. We're talking winding streets lined with designer boutiques, the roar of Formula One cars echoing in the distance, and the salty air mixing with the scent of expensive perfume. The juxtaposition of luxury and everyday life is what makes Monaco so unique. But here's the best part. Some of the most incredible sights in Monaco are totally free to experience. You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the beauty and history of this place. We're starting with a walk through the narrow, winding streets of Monaco Ville, the oldest part of the city. This area is a treasure trove of history and charm, with every corner telling a story. It's like stepping back in time, with its pastel-colored buildings, charming cafes, and stunning views of the harbor. The architecture here is a blend of old-world elegance and modern sophistication. Next up, we're heading to the Prince's Palace, the official residence of the Prince of Monaco. This majestic building stands as a testament to the principality's rich history and royal heritage. And yes, you can actually go inside certain parts of it. The palace offers guided tours that take you through opulent rooms and halls, giving you a glimpse into the life of Monaco's royalty. It's an experience you won't want to miss, adding another layer to your understanding of this fascinating city.
All right, so we've explored the historic streets, rubbed shoulders with royalty, well, sort of, and now it's time for some relaxation. And what better place to unwind than on a beach? Here's the thing, Monaco might be known for its luxury, but its beaches are free for everyone to enjoy. We're talking crystal clear waters, pristine sand, and views that will make your jaw drop. First up, we're hitting Lavato Beach, the most famous beach in Monaco. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sun, take a dip in the Mediterranean, and maybe even spot a celebrity or two. But if you're looking for something a little more low-key, head over to the Japanese Garden. This tranquil oasis is like a little slice of Japan in the heart of Monaco.
Alright, so we've conquered the great outdoors, but now it's time to get our culture fix. And no, I'm not talking about dropping hundreds of euros on some fancy opera tickets. We're going to experience the best of Monaco's museums without spending a dime. Now I know what you're thinking. Nothing in Monaco is free, especially not museums. And you're almost right. But here's the thing. Most museums in Monaco offer free admission on certain days or at certain times. You just gotta know where to look. Take the Oceanographic Museum, for example. This architectural marvel perched on a cliff overlooking the sea is a must-visit for anyone coming to Monaco. And guess what? It's totally free for kids under 18 every Wednesday. The key here is to do your research.
All right, let's talk food. I know Monaco isn't exactly known for its affordable dining scene. But fear not, my friends, because we're about to unleash our inner culinary geniuses and dine like royalty on a pauper's budget. Forget those Michelin star restaurants with their 7-course tasting menus and eye-watering prices. We're ditching the white tablecloths and heading straight for the source of all deliciousness, the local market. Picture this: freshly baked bread, ripe tomatoes bursting with flavor, creamy cheeses, and maybe even a little something sweet for dessert. So pack your appetite, grab a blanket, and get ready to experience the true meaning of dining al fresco in Monaco.
Alright, let's talk strategy. If you want to experience Monaco on a budget, timing is everything. We're talking about mastering the art of the off-season visit. But that's when all the fun goes into hibernation. Wrong. The off-season in Monaco is like a secret handshake to savings. The crowds are smaller, the prices are lower, and the vibe is a little more relaxed. It's the perfect time to explore the city at your own pace.
Okay, let's be real. No trip to Monaco is complete without a little bit of window shopping. But I'm not talking about your average mall crawl, my friends. This is not your typical stroll through a shopping center where you might pick up a few items on sale. No, this is an entirely different level of indulgence and fantasy. We're talking about entering a whole new stratosphere of luxury retail therapy without actually buying anything. Imagine walking down the pristine streets of Monaco, where every window display is a masterpiece, a visual feast for the eyes. The sheer opulence and elegance of these displays can make you feel like you're in a fashion dreamland. Monaco is home to some of the most exclusive boutiques in the world, and window shopping here is an experience in itself. It's like visiting an art gallery, but instead of paintings, you have the latest haute couture, the most exquisite jewelry, and the trendiest accessories. Each boutique is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. We're talking designer gowns that cost more than a car, diamond-encrusted watches that could feed a small village, and shoes so fabulous they should come with their own security detail. These items are not just products, they are statements, symbols of luxury and status that few can afford, but many can admire. But here's the thing. You don't need a black card to appreciate the craftsmanship, the artistry, and the sheer audacity of it all. You can marvel at the intricate details, the innovative designs, and the bold fashion statements without spending a dime. It's about appreciating the creativity and the skill that goes into making these luxurious items. Channel your inner fashion critic, let your imagination run wild, and embrace the art of the luxurious looky-loo. Picture yourself wearing those designer gowns, those sparkling watches, and those fabulous shoes. Imagine the stories behind each piece, the inspiration that led to its creation. This is not just window shopping, it's a journey into the world of high fashion and luxury, a chance to dream and be inspired.
All right, folks, get ready to party like it's 1999 or any other year where you scored free stuff, because we're about to unlock the secret world of free events in Monaco. Yes, you heard that right. The glitzy, glamorous Monaco isn't just for the rich and famous. It's also a treasure trove of free experiences waiting to be discovered. Free events in Monaco? That's like finding a unicorn riding a dolphin while juggling diamonds. And you're not entirely wrong, but believe it or not, there are hidden gems in this luxurious city that won't cost you a single cent. But here's the thing, even in a place as extravagant as Monaco, there are still plenty of opportunities to experience the local culture, enjoy live music, and have a good time, all without spending a single euro. Imagine strolling through the streets, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, and stumbling upon a live jazz performance or a traditional dance show. The key is to do your research. Check out local event listings, browse community calendars, and keep your eyes peeled for posters advertising free concerts, outdoor movie screenings, and cultural festivals. You'd be surprised at how many events are open to the public, offering a taste of Monaco's rich cultural tapestry without the hefty price tag. From open-air markets with live music to art exhibitions and street performances, there's always something happening in Monaco. Picture yourself wandering through a bustling market, the air filled with the sounds of a local band, or watching a street artist create a masterpiece right before your eyes. These experiences are not only free, but also priceless in the memories they create. So, next time you find yourself in Monaco, remember to look beyond the yachts and casinos. There's a whole world of free fun waiting for you to explore.
All right, let's talk fashion. Because let's be real, in a place like Monaco, appearances matter. But before you start packing your suitcase with ball gowns and tuxedos, let me give you a little tip. Dressing for Monaco is all about finding that sweet spot between casual chic and I woke up like this effortless. Think breathable fabrics, comfortable shoes, because you'll be doing a lot of walking, and maybe a touch of something sparkly for the evening. And ladies, a scarf is your best friend. It can dress up a simple outfit, protect you from the occasional breeze, and even double as a makeshift picnic blanket if needed. So keep it classy, keep it comfortable, and keep it legal.
My friends, we did it. We explored the glitz and glamour of Monaco without breaking the bank. We rode the buses, walked the streets, picnicked like royalty, and even managed to snag some freebies along the way. And the best part? The grand total for our entire Monaco adventure, less than a night out in some fancy club back home. Thanks for coming along on this wild ride with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly adventures, and let me know in the comments where you want to see me explore next.